The Mulroneys can turn the world on with their smiles. They can crush any of us like bugs. They'll do whatever it takes to protect the family. Trust me on this.
Have you ever noticed that some faces from your favorite shows are no longer there,
Started with a killing, ending with an execution.
only to discover they've quietly passed on? Law and Order has been a cornerstone of television for decades, bringing us gripping stories and unforgettable characters. But behind the scenes, some of its beloved cast members are no longer with us. Their absence has left a void not just in the show, but in the hearts of fans everywhere. Today, we're remembering the lives and legacies of the Law and Order cast members who have passed away.
Cleaners or rip plastic
Yeah,
bag?
well, the pins are not bunk, and the alibi witnesses are not bunk, and this is probably the lousiest staff work I've ever seen.
Have you ever wondered who was the steadfast district attorney guiding the early years of Law and Order? Stephen Hill, born on February 24, 1922 in Seattle, Washington, led a fascinating life, especially during his role as the iconic Adam Schiff on Law and Order. Hill's portrayal of Adam Schiff brought a gravitas that anchored the series' legal proceedings. As the pragmatic and often sardonic DA, Hill's character was loosely based on real-life Manhattan DA Robert Morgenthau, adding authenticity to the role. After a long and successful career, Hill retired from acting in 2000. He passed away on August 23, 2016, at the age of 94 in Monsey, New York, surrounded by family. His death marked the end of a remarkable legacy, leaving fans to remember not only his commanding on-screen presence, but also his dedication to his craft and principles.
Started with a killing, ending with an execution. You got what you wanted. Take the rest of the week off.
You know, one day this chair is going to be empty.
I'm no politician, Arthur.
Yeah, everybody says that.
Have you ever wondered how a real-life U.S. Senator seamlessly transitioned into the role of Manhattan's district attorney on Law and Order? Fred Thompson was a man of many talents, a lawyer, politician, actor, and writer. Born on August 19, 1942 in Sheffield, Alabama, he began his career in law, earning a degree from Vanderbilt University. In the 1990s, Thompson ventured into acting, making a seamless transition into Hollywood. His role as District Attorney Arthur Branch on Law and Order, 2002 to 2007, was a perfect fit for his commanding presence and Southern charm. Thompson's portrayal of District Attorney Arthur Branch brought an air of authority and a palpable world-weary sensibility to the series. On November 1, 2015, Fred Thompson passed away at the age of 73 in Nashville, Tennessee, after battling non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. His death marked the loss of a multifaceted figure who left a significant impact on law, politics, and television. His legacy as Arthur Branch remains a standout chapter in Law and Order history.
drops JFK's coffin into 9,000 feet of water 3 years after the assassination. You don't find that suggestive, perhaps even a tad bit disquieting?
Have you ever met a detective who could outwit suspects with sharp humor and relentless tenacity? Detective John Munch, portrayed by Richard Belzer, was that character on Law and Order, Special Victims Unit. With his signature dry wit and penchant for conspiracy theories, Munch brought a unique flavor to the series. Born on August 4, 1944, in Bridgeport, Connecticut, Richard Belzer began his career in stand-up comedy before transitioning to acting.
Like, moan it. First you laugh, then you moan. Like, moan at me, like I made that up. Like, she doesn't shake her head, right? I'm the guy that stands in the back of her head and does this, right? So boo me, right? Great, yeah.
He first embodied Detective Munch on Homicide, Life on the Street, and his performance was so compelling that the character transitioned to Law and Order, SVU, making Munch one of television's longest-running characters. On February 19, 2023, Richard Belzer passed away at his home in Beaulieu-sur-Mer, France, at the age of 78. His death was mourned by fans and colleagues alike.
The Mulroney's can turn the world on with their smiles. They can crush any of us like bugs. They'll do whatever it takes to protect the family. Trust me on this.
Have you ever noticed how certain actors seamlessly inhabit multiple roles within the same universe, leaving an indelible mark each time? Mark Bloom was one such versatile talent in the Law and Order franchise. He portrayed 6 different characters across the series, most notably as Brooklyn Assistant District Attorney Frank Lazar. In the episode Jurisdiction, Lazar's character navigated the complexities of interborough legal challenges, showcasing Bloom's ability to bring depth and nuance to the legal proceedings. Tragically, Mark Bloom passed away on March 25, 2020, at the age of 69 due to complications from COVID-19. His death was a significant loss to the acting community, with many colleagues and fans mourning his passing. Bloom's contributions to the Law and Order franchise and the broader entertainment industry continue to be remembered and celebrated.
Nick, these people are trying to do their job, that's all, okay? So just let them do it.
Have you ever wondered how real-life experience shapes an actor's portrayal of a character? Dennis Farina, who played Detective Joe Fontana on Law and Order, brought authenticity to the role, drawing from his 18 years as a Chicago police officer. Fontana was known for his sharp suits and unorthodox methods, often walking a fine line between justice and procedure. Farina's nuanced performance added depth to the series, making Fontana a memorable and complex character. Born on February 29, 1944 in Chicago, Illinois, Farina served in the U.S. Army before joining the Chicago Police Department. He transitioned to acting in the 1980s, frequently cast as law enforcement or mobsters, reflecting his rugged demeanor. On July 22, 2013, Farina passed away at 69 in Scottsdale, Arizona, due to a pulmonary embolism. His death was a significant loss to the entertainment industry, with many remembering him for his distinctive contributions to film and television.
Hey, how about this? Charles Graham, attorney at law.
Graham, that's Jacob's lawyer.
Well, I wonder what Charlene's doing with it.
I didn't kill her. I wanted to marry her.
Did she want to marry you? What was she doing at Cullen's? Shopping for her trousseau?
Have you ever wondered how an actor's real-life experiences shape their on-screen roles? Paul Sorvino, renowned for his portrayal of mob boss Paulie Cicero in Goodfellas, brought a unique depth to his character on Law & Order. As Sergeant Phil Serrata, Sorvino infused the role with a calm authority and streetwise sensibility, reflecting his extensive acting background. Serrata's partnership with Detective Mike Logan added a nuanced dynamic to the series, balancing Logan's intensity with his own composed demeanor. Born on April 13, 1939 in Brooklyn, New York, Paul Sorvino had a prolific career in film, television, and theater. On July 25, 2022, Sorvino passed away at the age of 83 due to natural causes. His death marked the loss of a multifaceted artist whose contributions to the entertainment industry continue to be celebrated. Have you ever noticed the commanding presence of certain judges in courtroom dramas, whose mere gaze can silence the room? Lynn Cohen embodied such authority in her recurring role as Judge Elizabeth Meisner on Law & Order. From 1993 to 2006, she portrayed Meisner in 12 episodes, delivering justice with a firm yet fair demeanor. Her character's unwavering commitment to the law added depth to the series, making each courtroom scene she presided over memorable. On February 14, 2020, Cohen passed away in New York City at the age of 86. Her death marked the loss of a prolific actress whose contributions to the arts spanned over 4 decades.
He's there, same little snot, loud, obnoxious, always picking his teeth. He threw a club on the 13th.
Have you ever wondered which detective's sardonic wit and world-weary demeanor became synonymous with Law & Order's gritty portrayal of New York City? Detective Lenny Briscoe, portrayed by Jerry Orbach, was that iconic figure. Joining the series in its 3rd season, Briscoe's sharp one-liners and complex backstory, marked by struggles with alcoholism and family estrangement, added profound depth to the show. Orbach's authentic performance resonated with audiences, making Briscoe one of television's most memorable detectives. Born on October 20, 1935 in the Bronx, New York, Jerry Orbach had a distinguished career in theater, film, and television. Tragically, Orbach passed away from prostate cancer on December 28, 2004, at the age of 69. His death occurred shortly after he left Law & Order to join its spin-off Law & Order, Trial by Jury, where he appeared in only 2 episodes before his passing. Orbach's portrayal of Detective Briscoe left an indelible mark on the series, and his contributions to the performing arts continue to be celebrated.
You know who might need to call for directions? You, if you were going over there to meet Dunbar for a little fun and game.
Have you ever noticed how certain actors seamlessly embody multiple personas within the same series, leaving a lasting impression each time? Philip Bosco was one such versatile talent in the Law & Order franchise. He portrayed 6 different characters across Law & Order, Special Victims Unit and Law & Order Criminal Intent, showcasing his remarkable range. Born on September 26, 1930, in Jersey City, New Jersey, Bosco had a distinguished career in theater, film, and television. Unfortunately, on December 3, 2018, Philip Bosco passed away at the age of 88 due to complications from dementia. His death marked the loss of a prolific actor whose contributions to the arts continue to be remembered and celebrated. Have you ever noticed the commanding presence of certain judges in courtroom dramas whose mere gaze can silence the room? Doris Balak embodied such authority in her recurring role as Judge Margaret Barry on Law & Order Special Victims Unit. From 1990 to 2001, she portrayed Judge Barry with a firm yet fair demeanor, presiding over complex cases with unwavering commitment to justice. Born on February 26, 1926 in New York City, Doris Balak began her acting career in theater before transitioning to film and television. On October 4, 2011, Balak passed away in New York City at the age of 85. Her death marked the loss of a talented actress whose contributions to the entertainment industry spanned several decades. Colleagues and fans remember her for the depth and authenticity she brought to her roles. The actors who brought life to Law & Order left an indelible mark, both on screen and off. Their performances live on, reminding us of their immense talent and the joy they brought to fans worldwide. Which of these stories touched you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tributes and behind-the-scenes stories. Their legacy continues, even as the curtain falls on their time with us. We hope to see you in the next video.